Stocking Island is already known for its visitor experience. Now it's becoming known for lectures in Bahamian culture thanks to historian Cordell Thompson, creator of a blog about the Bahamas' Gullah Geechee connection.
I lecture once a week, every Sunday at 1 o'clock at Chat and Chill Restaurant and Beach Experience on Stocking Island. It started very spontaneously. I was out there one day having lunch, and someone asked a question about Bahamian history, and another person said, well, ask him, he knows a lot of stuff, he likes to talk. So we started talking. The person said, what, do you do this full time? I said, I could. I said, why don't you bring your friends here next week, and we'll have a chat. So I started in December last year, and it's been going on every Sunday.
Mr. Thompson said visitors and even Bahamians enjoy learning about the Bahamas' ties to the Gullah Geechee people of the Carolinas. He said the ties are closer than most people realize, going all the way back to the Loyalists who settled in the Bahamas after the American Revolutionary War.
Now the Loyalists brought their slaves, and the slaves brought their foodways and their folkways. In fact, if you look at some of the food of the Carolinas, the folk stories, the folk tales, Bur rabbit, bur bookie, bur rabbi, bur goat, bur whale, bur barracuda, all that came from the Carolinas. In fact, Junkanoo came from the Carolinas, whether we like it or not. In fact, Junkanoo came from the Carolinas through Jamaica and Barbados. So Junkanoo has a very strong connection. Everything about us, in a sense, speaks to the Carolina Gullah Geechee experience.
For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Gina Seeley.